Hey, you want some? You want some more? Hey. Wow.
Oh, she can't have tomato.
Oh, she didn't have tomato. She's having the bread.
Okay, don't let her eat tomato.
Oh, yum yum.
So it's poisonous. Oh, really? Tomatoes, avocado, chocolate. But other than that, she'll eat much anything you want.
Hey, who you barking at? You want some foobies? You want? You shut up. You shut up. Behave. Let your brother have some foobies. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here, fishy, fishy, fishy.
Coke? Sure, please.
Come on, Loki. Foobies. Hey.
Oh.
You shut up. Don't you ever do that again. You're going to get hurt. Get on your perch. Get on your... Man, you better get on your perch. Get on your perch. Get on your... You shut up. Get on your perch. Get... What? What? Blah, 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 blah. Want some more foobies? You want some more? You're not going to have some more.
Hand me a cup there, please, Ricky.
Yeah, okay, that's it. That's it. Move out of the way. On guard. On guard. Hey. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, now you're hungry, my friend, huh? Give me a chili jalapeno and I'll hook her up.
She likes jalapenos.
She likes jalapenos.